the next one, okay, is appointment. So okay, let me go back to the modules. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. So the next module, right, we want to go to is this appointment, right? Appointment. So you find this appointment here, click add, it will go to the right side, okay, which is the active module. And you want to, okay, I want to shift it up so that I don't need to scroll down later on, okay, and I save, yeah, I save. Okay, do you need to do anything for appointment? The answer is no, yeah, no, right? No. So when function that you do not need to do anything for appointment, right? They do not appear in the content. Okay, so you see, I shifted appointment up here, right? But you don't see it, right? But it's in the app itself, okay? So a few functions, right? Later I will cover one by one what don't need to be done because appointment, you will immediately just show as appointment. It's a very straightforward lead collection function, right? You see the first step over here, appointment. If the word is too long in Android, right, it will start scrolling and scrolling so that you try to shorten whatever word that you want to use, right? So appointment is here. So I guess this one do not need any explanation or Q&A. And you can see over here, this is how the doctor do it, right? Appointment, and you can make appointment with the doctor. Okay, and I think a lot of apps are using this function as well because they want to collect lead. Right? I want to hear from you. I want to meet you. I want to see you. I want to have a call with you, right? Because nowadays everybody is so busy. Okay, so appointment, you do not need to do anything, right? Just drag it in, add it in, and it will appear in your application. Thank you for watching. Do like us and follow us on Facebook.